That is the sound of Gabriella Xavier, accompanied by Travis Levine on the piano, performing Eli Eli, a Yiddish song about the despairs of being crucified on the basis of faith. The performance wrapped up the awarding of the 10th Thomas J. Dodd Prize in International Justice and Human Rights on Wednesday afternoon. The award was given to the Babin Yar Holocaust Memorial Center in Kyiv, Ukraine. The memorial is where we remember when the Nazis shot up to 100,000 Jews and almost wiped out the entire Jewish population in Kyiv. Thursday and Friday, the University of Connecticut hosted a human rights summit at the Dodd Center. The summit mostly focused on human rights and the global assault on democracy. There were 7 panels, including guest speaker Alexandra Matvichuk, who was the 2022 Nobel Peace Prize winner, and Senator Chris Dodd. The summit finished off with a student-led dialogue with issues around voting and followed with refreshments. Reporting from the Dodd Center of Human Rights, Mary Jasmine DeVivo, UCTV News.